From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another deep conditioner hunt series. This is video numero 12 because I can't remember what 12 is in Spanish. Anyway, today, if you're not familiar with my deep conditioner hunt series, basically I try out new deep conditioners right in front of you guys, so you guys get to see my first reaction, my first impression, how the product works on my hair, if I like it, if I don't like it, if I would recommend for you guys to buy it or not. And if you're new to the channel, hey, what's up? Subscribe to your girl, join the family. So the hair has been shampooed and conditioned. I asked you guys in my recent wash day video for you guys to recommend some good conditioners for me, and a lot of you did, and I appreciate that. When we can go outside again, well, I can go outside again, I'm going to try a few of your faves and see if they can become some of my faves. So thank you guys for commenting and participating in answering that question. Really appreciate it. For my conditioners, I mix like 2 different conditioners. Yo, the struggle is real in these streets. Actually, it was 3 different conditioners. Oh, and I recently did, this is looking bright. Oh, baby, come back. I recently did a trim. If you guys are not caught up with my videos, actually I want to do this side first. I mean, I usually always do this side first, so I'm just gonna section my hair up 4 big sections and make those sections smaller if I need to. Bam! In today's deep conditioner hunt, we're gonna use Bodyworks Split End Repair Mask. I used this before, but I didn't give you a review on how I feel about this, because honestly I don't remember if I liked it, if it impressed me, or if it was just like blah. What are the claims? Transforms hair, prevents additional damage, strengthens hair, lessens breakage, and you experience fewer split ends. Okay, so it's basically a strengthening deep conditioner that helps prevent damage, and you experience fewer split ends, I guess, if you use it consistently. Gonna spray the hair, get it wet. Let's do a smell test. This smells like popsicle. Wait, it smells like the popsicle stick, the wooden popsicle stick. The smell isn't that, you know, pleasant or anything that makes you go, yes girl. Ooh, wait, so it's quite thick, not quite, very thick. Gonna apply that on my hair. So you guys see that it's so thick that it's not really melting into my hair. Definitely going to have to spray some more water in my hair. Guessing for this product, your hair has to be really wet. At first hand, there are no moisturizing properties. Okay, but you can see that it's helping the curls to come back to life. But as I said, at first hand, it's not the most moisturizing. To make this a lot more I added the water, and it's aiding a little bit more in detangling, but not so much. So I'm going to split this section in half. And usually I do that if the conditioner is not the most moisturizing or aids in detangling, but that's okay because it did not claim to be moisturizing. But do you guys see that the curls are really out here trying to pop through? They're really trying to come through. You guys saw that first detangling brush session. Pretty smooth, pretty easy. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using my Tangle Teezer. A lot of you guys were asking about the detangling tools that I use. I don't purposely not mention what I'm using. It's just that since some of you are new, you might be new to a lot of things that I'm doing. So you definitely do want to watch a lot more of my videos so you guys won't be confused. But I do have my deep conditioner hunt series in a playlist if you want to check out the recent ones that I did. Okay, so breaking my hair up into sections and finger detangling first definitely helps, because as I said, this is not the most moisturizing, but it's already doing some curl pop. And it's not so bad, it's just not the most moisturizing that I have used. Okay, whatever, cool. Break my hair into another section. More water. And I definitely told you guys this before, but I use bottled water in my spray bottle. And I got this spray bottle from Sally's. You can find it on Amazon. Get my hair wet and just smooth that water in my hair. Break the section because it's a lot easier using this deep conditioner in smaller sections. Put this section away, apply the product, and finger detangle. And for further detangling, use my brush. Easy, right? On to the next section. And I'm realizing that a little goes a long way with this product because I'm really not grabbing that much product. So to detangle, start from the end. I notice you guys never get to see my whole length of my hair. And I try not to overbrush my hair. So when I get to the top, do a few more strokes all the way down, and then that section is done. Since I'm having such a hard time like finding some really bomb conditioners, I'm realizing that I just prefer to use a deep conditioner because of that. Because y'all, like, I don't know, like I really struggle when I condition my hair, especially if the conditioner is not the business. Like, I struggle during conditioning time. Shampoo time is perfect. I love shampoo time, but conditioning, yo, like if that conditioner isn't moisturizing, I really have a hard time. And I'm not afraid to say that. So that's why I asked you guys in the comments, like, what conditioners are you guys using? Because I'm just not having the best time when it comes to conditioning my hair. I'm almost done with this section. Just have this little piece right here to go. And how long did this one side of my hair take? If I wasn't talking, it would have taken me about 4 minutes. The timer is on about 6.5 minutes. So this isn't like a dreadful process. The fact that you have to come out the shower, apply it, leave it on for a couple minutes. Sometimes you use heat, sometimes not, but heat is a lot more beneficial for me. And then you have to wash it out again, and then you have to sit down and style your hair. If you usually style right away after wash day, I usually don't. And I'm going to do a video soon for you guys on what to do with your hair after wash day, because I feel like a lot of you have no idea what to do. I feel like I can give you guys some tips on what you can do, but or what I usually do for just healthy hair in general. So this side is done. My hair doesn't feel too bad. It's not, even though, as I said, I don't know, I probably said this like countless times, even though I said that it's not the most moisturizing, it's not that it's not moisturizing at all. It's that it's not the most moisturizing deep conditioner that I have used. That's it. My hair looks good. You can see that my curls are like activating again, because you know they disappear after you wash out your products and stuff like that. Well, some of us, okay, it's cool. So I'm going to do the other side. Okay, I'm all done applying the product to both sides of my hair. This is the first side I did. You can see that even without using heat, the curls are like popping through. Father God, we really appreciate that. Thank you. But I'm thinking, like, should I really go under this dryer or not? Because lazy people did both. Okay, so yeah, we went under the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. That's me showing you guys the time. Before I rinse out my hair, I let my hair cool for about 15, maybe more minutes. Looking like curls, talk to us. Curls, look at these curls. Like, my hair looks so much better, especially after trimming my ends. Ooh, yes! Okay, so did it strengthen my hair? Yup. My hair feels real strong. I won't know if it prevented additional damage, because that's something I'll have to find out with continuous use. So basically, this is a strengthening deep conditioner, and did it do that? It definitely did. Look at it. Like, what? Like, what? Like, you can't talk to me. Like, you can't talk to these curls right now. Like, what you said? We can't hear you over all these curls, things. The strengthening and soft, well, it's not the softness, okay, but very strong. I basically review deep conditioners based on what they claim to say that they will provide, and this deep conditioner did just that. It claimed to strengthen my hair, which it did. So I didn't expect it to do anything else really, but anything else would have been a bonus. It definitely brought my curls back to life, so I would recommend this if your curls lost its elasticity and you need something to bring those curls back, you know, bring that bounce back. It's not one of the best deep conditioners that I have used so far in this hunt, because I've used deep conditioners that provided strength and moisture and aided in detangling, but it's really okay and it's worth a try. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.